Welcome to Tech Solutions Hub, your trusted source for assistive technology. Empowering accessibility, innovating for a better tomorrow. Explore our tutorials, product reviews, and expert insights. Learn how to harness assistive tech for independence. Connect with us. Subscribe for latest updates. Hit the notification bell. And join our community on social media. Breaking barriers, one solution at a time.
The instrumental for this video is provided by InnerSanctum Entertainment Ltd.
If you are someone like me that love making use of high quality text-to-speech with screen readers, don't skip this video. I'm about to reveal a secret that Microsoft has been hiding for us. Hello people, you are welcome to Tech Solution Hub YouTube channel. If you are new here, please do well to subscribe to the channel and drop your comment on this video. In this video, I'll be sharing an add-on with you which give you access to Microsoft Neural Voices with NVDA. If you could remember, around last year or upper last year, we've been making use of the add-on, but suddenly it stopped working. But I'm happy to tell you now that I've discovered the new one that works perfectly with the latest version of NVDA. Once again, before we go into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop your comment, and also share it with other people so that they can have access to this tutorial as well. Without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the video. The first thing I will do is to install the add-on. I'm running latest version of NVDA, so let me install the add-on and show you how the voice looks like. So let me open my Dex PC.
This PC 811. This PC File Explorer.
So then let me scroll to where I have the add-on.
Tech Wizard E202. Items view list. ALX not selected 1 of 46. A405. DTM 3 of 46. C. Computer 4 of 46. Items view list. Operating system not selected 1 of. Screen readers 2 of 3.
Screen readers.
Items view list. Screen reader 2 of 2.
Now I have it here.
/20/2024 11:36 p.m. Clip speed 2.
Okay, that's opened. So let me navigate by N to locate the add-on.
N. Neural Voices 1.1.7 of 18.
Now this is the add-on I'm talking about. Let me install it and let's sample how the voices looks like, whether they are natural or not.
Add-on installation dialog. Are you sure you want to install? No, but Alt plus N. About add-on, but Alt plus A. Yes, but Alt plus Y.
Yeah, I'm pressing yes.
Screen reader. Installing add-on dialog. Please wait while the add-on is picked. Restart NVDA dialog. Changes were made to add-ons. You must restart NVDA for these changes to take effect. Would you like to restart now? Yes, but Alt plus Y.
Yes.
Space. Loading NVDA. Please wait. Screen reader. File Explorer. Items view list.
Now the add-on has been installed. So let me switch to it so that we can see how it looks like. I'll be pressing my Control NVDA key and S to open my synthesizer dialog.
Select synthesizer dialog. Synthesizer. Combo box ECI Eloquence. Microsoft Speech API. Microsoft Speech Neural Voices.
Here it is. Neural Voices.
Enter screen reader, File Explorer, items view list, Neural Voices 1.1.NDAD and 7 of 18.
So this is it. I think this is Microsoft's guy out of the voices. I'm using Microsoft guy now. This will be the default voice that will come up as soon as you install the add-on. I would like to show you other voices that are here apart from guy. I'll be press and hold my Control Shift and NVDA key. Then I'll be pressing my right arrow key.
Pitch 25.
This is where to adjust the pitch. So I'm doing this instead of going to NVDA menu.
Voice Microsoft Guy, Natural English, United States.
So this is the default one that I'm using now. This is Guy. So let's explore others by pressing down arrow.
Voice Microsoft Aria, Natural English, United States.
This is Aria.
Voice Microsoft Sonia, Natural English, United Kingdom.
This is Sonia.
Voice Microsoft Ryan, Natural English, United Kingdom. Voice Microsoft Ryan, Natural
So
English,
this is
United
the last one. Let's see if there's anyone.
Voice Microsoft Guy, Natural
before
English, United
Guy.
States.
Voice Microsoft Jenny, Natural English, United
Now
States.
this is Jenny. So that shows we have like 5 voices or something here. We're on the first one, Jenny.
Voice Microsoft Guy, Natural
This
English,
is
United
Guy
States.
2.
Voice Microsoft Aria, Natural English, United
This
States.
is Aria 3.
Voice Microsoft Sonia, Natural English, United Kingdom.
This is Sonia 4.
Voice Microsoft Ryan, Natural English, United Kingdom.
Then we have Ryan as well. So those are the voices that you will have access to after installing this add-on as an NVDA user. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Then before I go, for you to have access to this add-on, the link you are going to use to download it will be in the description and comment section for this video. Thank you and see you later. Bye.